Here it is a chapter number first, Living World. From this chapter 1.2 to 1.7 they are deleted. So you have to study only 1.1. फक्त 1.1 हाच अभ्यास करायचा आहे. In this chapter we have to study basic features of life, meaning basic features of living organism. So you know different examples of living organism like cat, dog, birds, fish, human, mammals, plants and microbes. Non-living include table, chair, lamp, car, pen and so on. So it is a basic information regarding examples of living and non-living. Important one is characters or features of living organism. Another term is attributes. Attributes meaning characters or features of living organism. So which are main characters of living organism? First one, growth. Second, nutrition. Third, movement. Fourth, reproduction. Excretion, respiration, irritability and metabolism. These are basic attributes, basic characters, features of living organism. Remember attributes of living organisms. Whether all organisms are similar? So answer is no. Come to remind two different mango plants. They show difference in their height, shape of leaves. Or compare between mango plant and coconut plant. They show variations in their root, leaves, stem, fruit structure. Or you take example of two animals. One is frog and other is fish. They show dissimilarities. Certain are similarities, majority are dissimilarities. So all organisms are not similar. They show differences between them. We know planet Earth. It mainly comprises of abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic meaning non-living and biotic meaning living factors. Also you know meaning of examples of abiotic or non-living creature, biotic or living creature. Then which are basic principles of life? So here it is 1.1, basic principles of life. In that first principle, living being once produced or born, they have to survive and survival needs energy. So after birth, after production of new individual, each individual have to survive and survival needs energy. We know energy is produced in different forms of molecules. You are familiar with ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is source of energy. So many chemical molecules like ATP, adenosine triphosphate, it acts as a source of energy. For energy, organism has to perform metabolism. When there is a metabolism, energy is produced, ATPs are produced. Now here metabolism is divided into two parts. One is breakdown, what we call catabolism, and second is anabolism, that is building or making. So metabolism having two parts. One is of building, निर्मिती होते, त्याला म्हणायचं anabolism. For example, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which food is produced in the form of starch. So production of starch is anabolism, which occur during photosynthesis. and during respiration, same starch act as a food stuff. It is broken down to liberate energy in the form of ATP. So respiration is example of catabolism. फ्रॉम बर्थ ऑनवर्ड्स, एकदा का जन्म झाला मग ते सीडलिंग तयार होऊ दे सीडपासून, किंवा बर्थ ऑफ बेबी असू दे, और हॅचिंग ऑफ एग असू दे, अंड हॅच होऊन फुटून त्याच्यातून पक्षी बाहेर येणं. ऑर्गॅनिझम शो टेंडन्सी ऑफ ग्रोथ अँड डेव्हलपमेंट. कम टू रिमाइंड सीडलिंग ज्याला सीडचं जर्मिनेशन होतं, व्हेरी miniature seedling is produced, and as 1 or 2 days passes, it show increase in height, increase in number of leaves. So the organism has tendency of growth and development. किंवा आपण ज्या वेळेला जन्माला आलो तेव्हाचे आणि आताचे सारखे आहोत का? आन्सर इज नो. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ टेंडन्सी ऑफ बॉडी टू शो ग्रोथ अँड डेव्हलपमेंट. But you have observed sand dunes common in desert, or growth of boulders, growth of rocks. Whether that growth occur from inside, so there is no growth from inside to outside. It is simply deposition of material or deposition of molecule forming that boulder or sand dunes. फक्त सँड डिपॉझिट होते सँड ड्यूनमध्ये, किंवा रॉकमध्ये बोल्डरमध्ये रॉक फॉर्मिंग जे मटेरियल असतं हे वरच्या बाजूला थरावर थर चढत जातात. सो इट इज नॉट ए ग्रोथ, इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम विदिन अँड हेन्स आर नॉट लिव्हिंग बीइंग. दॅट्स वाय दो सँड ड्यून्स ऑर बोल्डर दे शो increase in their size. It is not a growth, and hence these are not living being. Growth and development are the processes which have unlimited lifespan, time span. Growth and development are not the processes which have unlimited lifespan. What is its meaning? Come to remind growth of ह्युमन बिईंगमध्ये बॉडी ग्रोथ ऑकर अप टू 18th or 21th. फिमेलची बॉडी ग्रोथ 18व्या वर्षापर्यंत होते आणि मेलची आहे ही 21व्या वर्षापर्यंत. अँड हेन्स ग्रोथ अँड डेव्हलपमेंट आर नॉट द प्रोसेसेस विच हॅव अनलिमिटेड टाईम स्पॅन. शेवटपर्यंत काही ग्रोथ होत नाही. इट इज ऑफ लिमिटेड ड्युरेशन. ॲट सर्टन पॉईंट ऑफ टाईम molecules, organs, systems begins to lose their effective working. ठराविक टाईम पिरियडनंतर मोलेक्यूलची जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे किंवा ऑर्गन सिस्टीम ह्यांची ॲक्टिव्हिटी हळूहळू डिक्लाईन होत जाते आणि इफेक्टिव्ह वर्किंग थांबतं. व्हॉट वी कॉल एजिंग प्रोसेस. सो दॅट इज अ फिनॉमिनन ऑफ एजिंग कॉमन इन ऑल लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम. ह्युमन बिईंग ठराविक वयानंतर ह्याचं वर्किंग आहे हे स्लो डाऊन होतो बिकॉज ऑफ एजिंग. किंवा एखादं खूप जुनं झाड आहे आंब्याचं, त्याला येणारे नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स हळूहळू कमी होऊ लागतात. इट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द कॉज ऑफ एजिंग प्रोसेस. लाईफ हॅज टू कंटिन्यू अँड हेन्स ऑर्गॅनिझम ट्राईज टू प्रोड्यूस यंग वन लाईक इटसेल्फ. That is a reproduction. Life has to continue and hence organism tries to produce young one by process of reproduction. Reproduction ensures continuity of life. Why there is a reproduction? Because of continuity of life. Reproduction झालं तरच नवीन इंडिव्हिज्युअल तयार होणार. Whether it is asexual reproduction, सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन और व्हेजिटेटिव्ह रिप्रोडक्शन, कोणतंही रिप्रोडक्शन असू दे त्याच्यामुळे नवीन इंडिव्हिज्युअल तयार होणार आहेत रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कंटिन्युटी ऑफ लाईफ. सो व्हॉट इज एम ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन? इट एन्श्युअर्स कंटिन्युटी ऑफ लाईफ. बट सर्टन एक्सेप्शन्स आर देअर, ॲज इन केस ऑफ मूल्स मिनिंग खेचर. खेचर हा जो प्राणी आहे इट कांट अंडरगो सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. और वर्कर बीज, कामकरी माश्या असतात, प्रेझेंट इन हनी बी, हनी कोम्ब. दे आर स्टराईल. They can't produce young one, do not reproduce, yet are living beings. So certain are exceptions to characteristic of reproduction like mole, sterile worker bee which can't undergo reproduction. Now here, as body loses its capacity to perform metabolism, organism dies. What is death? So death is immortal. कधी ना कधी सजीव लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम इट अंडरगो डेथ. सो इट इज ए इमोर्टल प्रोसेस. कळतं आहे? दॅट इज रिगार्डिंग व्हॉट वी कॉल डेथ, which is important process of living being. Any living being respond to thermal, chemical or biological changes in the surrounding. Thermal related with change in temperature. Chemical, as name indicate, change in chemical composition of surrounding, for example pollution of air, or biological changes. Biological changes which occur inside living being. So all of the changes, they get a response by living body. It is unique property of living being. For example, you are familiar with Mimosa लाजाळू. जर का ह्या लीव्सला आपण टच केला, दे अंडरगो क्लोजिंग. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ टच स्टिम्युलस. Or when we get our specialized food, salivation start. That is also one of the biological change. So in this way living organism give response to change in surrounding, including thermal, chemical and biological features. Then next one, there is immense diversity in living organism. Just we have seen all living organisms are not alike. They show difference in their body pattern, in their habitat, in their mode of reproduction. So that is a diversity in living organism. These are main features of life, main attributes, main characters of life. If we need to study these characters, diversity, certain aids are required called taxonomical aids. Taxonomy meaning classification. Classification aids can be used like herbaria. Herbarium single. Herbarium is dry collection of plants. Botanical gardens are there where different plants are grown. Botanical gardens, they may be herb, shrub, trees, they may be aquatic, desert, terrestrial. Museums are there. You are familiar with fish museum. मत्स्यालय म्हणतो आपण. मुंबईचं तुम्ही बहुतेकांनी पाहिलं असेल म्युझियम. किंवा ॲक्वॅरियम which show different types of fish, different types of animal or dead remains. Biodiversity parks are there. You may know Sanjay Gandhi राष्ट्रीय उद्यान situated at बोरिवली. बोरिवलीला असलेलं राष्ट्रीय उद्यान, नॅशनल पार्क तुम्ही पाहिलेलं असेल. which show biodiversity, connection with plants, animals. किंवा आपणही आपल्या भोवताली पाहिलं तर जी प्लांट्स आहेत ही सगळी कशी आहेत, डिफरंट नेचरची आहेत. तर दॅट इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ बायोडायव्हर्सिटी. किंवा आपल्या घराचंच एक्झाम्पल घ्या. आपल्या घरात राहणारे आपले नातेवाईक, आपली भावंडं, आपले आई वडील, वेदर ऑल आर अलाइक? आन्सर इज नो. दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ बायोडायव्हर्सिटी. हॅव यू गॉट मिनिंग ऑफ ऑल दीज? ओके. That is regarding 1.1 from chapter 1st, living organism or living world. You have to study only 1.1. मी जे इथे दिलेलं आहे एवढंच फक्त करायचं आहे, बाकीचा कोणताही पार्ट तुम्ही करायचा नाही. 11वीच्या परीक्षेसाठी, एंट्रन्स एक्झामसाठी तुम्ही करू शकता. ओके.